Right, good morning team, and what a morning. As you can see overnight, it's been a bit cold and very frosty. So this is going to be a perfect test and perfect example just to show you our brand new Wildtrack roller lid plug and play fitting kits. So this is the exact same kit that I've used to plug and play this Wildtrack Platinum lid, which is of course a little bit different to the other Wildtrack lids just because it's got this sliding hoop system with the pop-up roof rack system here, and it also pairs up with the crossbar Platinum Wildtrack X type roof racks. Otherwise it's just a normal standard Wildtrack lid. You will see with a grey hoop, or also now black. Also the Raptors can also come without the hoop completely from the factory, which you can then transfer over to your Ranger, XLT, XL, etc, etc. So let's get started. I'm just going to show you what is inside this kit. But first off, it's operated by a switch inside the tub. You just simply press it once and that lid will open automatically, and it will stop automatically at the end. Press it once again, come the other direction, and it will open and close. Press it and it will stop. Press it the other way and it will close and open, etc. So now this is frosty, so I've never done it in this temperature before. So as you can see with the frost on top, it's still functioning, which is amazing. And this has been negative temperatures overnight. Now, as well as a switch, it also comes on the key fob. So we're going to have a simple unlock, press once, we'll go all the way, and then lock, press it once, and it will come back to lock it. Now again, if you want to stop it, you can stop it. If you want to open it, you can open it. Let's have a look here. It's also got the safety feature. So if you have a dog's head or children putting their hands in or anything like that, let's just do it with this box here. It's going to stop automatically. As soon as it feels any resistance, it's going to stop. So that's just a good example there. Now let's close this lid again by locking it. Now you're going to get your box like this, depending on how you get it shipped anywhere around the world. It may be in the bag, or it may just be like this in New Zealand with a bit of tape on it. Inside the kit, we're going to have our main control body module. Now, as you can see, this box is very robust and very tough. It's got all our waterproof plugs on it. This is a tub switch that we see attached here. So if we open this up again, this whole unit slides in behind this panel. It sits like that, so you can see these clips on it. There's no drilling to fit this kit, just simply slides down in behind this panel here. However, you are going to have to use a multi-tool and cut out just a rectangle for the switch here, and that's going to sit in behind here. We then have our main power harness. This has got lots of length on it, so you're not tugging and pulling, etc. And this is going to come off the tow bar. So if I close this up, I'll show you quickly. So there's a tow bar loom in behind your tow bar here. And if you don't have a tow bar factory fitted, that loom is still there. You're basically just going to unplug that loom, connect that patch, and then that's going to run up underneath here up to the back of the box, and that's going to give it the power. Now, as you can see, you don't need the engine running for that to be powered, so it's powered all the time. And then this is our shutter lid cable. As you can see, it's got the plug and play plug on it for your Wildtrack roller lid, and also our waterproof plugs here for shutter. Now you can't mix these up, they say power and shutter very easily, noticeable. And then you're going to get two key fobs, the same as what you saw on my key fob here, and then just some screws so that you can attach it to this panel here. Now, some panels are going to have a 240 volt outlet, some are going to have 12 volt outlet, and that will just mean different place of where that's going to go. Now, so that's it. It's a very simple kit. It's also cheaper than our previous kits just because there's less moving parts in it. Very robust. If you've got a Raptor like me, you're doing off-roading, jumping, high speeds, whatever, it's going to continue working. As well as that, we have a lifetime warranty on it. So as long as you are the first owner and you own this kit, we will replace it or repair it free of charge. So absolutely no worries, no fuss. Just know it's going to work. And now these are fully produced. We are shipping them around the world, so the price on the website includes shipping, free shipping, anywhere in the world. So what you pay is what you're going to get to your front door anywhere in the world. Now, as well as that kit, you probably notice on the key ring, let's close that up. Probably notice on my key ring this aftermarket key, as well as this key fob protector, which is cool, very robust. This is our remote start key fob, so I could be standing anywhere within 100 meters of this vehicle, and that starts it remotely. Now, that's much faster than the Ford Pass app. You can do it from within the house on a cold morning to warm the car up with these. Just need to figure out which way is the off one. I think double click that one, double click that one. No, so just remote start, and then it's going to warm up for 5 minutes. Now, as well as that key fob and that key chain, as mentioned, if you get a platinum Wildtrack roller lid like this, there's a good chance you're not going to get the roof racks. So I'm going to include a link below to show you where you can purchase those roof racks, and that's going to give you the full kit. Now, if you like anything else you see on this vehicle, have a look at my other video. You can see all the parts, all the mods, everything I do is on the website. Grille lights, bonnets, bumpers, you name it, we do it, as well as side steps, etc, etc. So I'm going to do a full review of this vehicle very shortly, and then you can follow all the parts you like on it. So yeah, thank you for viewing. These kits again are in stock and shipping, so if you want one, you can get one. Don't hesitate, follow the link below and grab yours today. Thanks for watching.